Definition and basic principles of small hand dryers. Wall-mounted small hand dryer is a small electrical appliance installed on the wall, mainly used for quickly drying hands. Its working principle is to drive a fan through an internal motor, suck in air, heat it through a heating element, form hot air, and then blow it out at high speed to accelerate the evaporation of moisture on the hands. Generally speaking, it has a small volume and is easy to install on the walls of hand-washing areas such as bathrooms and kitchens, without taking up too much space. Advantage: space saving. The wall-mounted design allows it to be installed on the wall without occupying floor or countertop space like traditional floor-standing hand dryers or towel racks. This is a great advantage in bathrooms or small hand-washing areas with limited space. Convenient to use. Installed on the wall near the sink, users can easily reach out and use the hand dryer after washing their hands. Moreover, due to its fixed position, it does not require frequent organization or replacement like towels. Hygiene. Compared to towels, hand dryers can reduce the spread of bacteria. Towels are prone to bacterial growth during use, while hand dryers use hot air to dry hands without the problem of bacterial growth. Meanwhile, some hand dryers with sensing functions are more hygienic because users can activate them without touching them, avoiding cross-infection. Quick hand drying. With its strong hot air and appropriate wind speed, it can quickly dry the moisture on the hands. Generally speaking, the hand drying time is around 10 to 30 seconds. Depending on the power of the hand dryer, wind speed, and the amount of water in the hand.